piece of nice architecture. There are lions up near the roof. That's from where it gets its name. And I will now have a walk in the center of Constanța to see some other nice architecture. Nearby is Grand Mosque of Constanța. Here it is. And after this I will make a random walk to see what I will see. I have no clue because I'm just arrived in this city and I'm doing everything without a plan, randomly, and it happens what it can happen. Going around without any plan is cool because you never know what you will see, so I have surprise effect. My favorite things during travels are exactly the surprises, cultural shocks, something which let me think about, something that leave me without words. But I'm now in Europe, and being an European, I hardly get any cultural shocks here. Okay, these are tombs, sarcophagus, probably from 2000 years ago, century less or more. So this is a market, mostly for not a green market, but a market for tourist stuff, traditional clothes and things like that. Souvenirs and such stuff. Okay. Okay, so this is archaeological museum. Okay, so shit, I wanted to make video about this museum, but it is closed for renovation. So pity. I like to make videos from museum, but this one is actually closed. Anyway, let's take a walk.
O zaman biz
Proszę.
There are a lot of buildings built in 19th century here, even especially in Bucharest, which are really beautiful. I like that style of building. They are always found in old centers of the cities. Suburbia is not so nice, especially here it was built over by communist regime of Ceausescu. So socialist era architecture is brutalistic, ugly, and not nice. The idea of that brutalist architecture built by communists was to pack as much people in small and ugly spaces, especially newcomers from villages surrounding the cities, because they wanted to have workers in new formed industry near their working places. So flow from the villages to the cities was huge, and a lot of people needed place to live. So they built all this suburbia with tall buildings, packing hundreds of thousands of people in small places. Unlike other countries in Warsaw Pact, Romanians also built huge parks, so there is a lot of green everywhere. So it is a very nice thing. Okay, this is a nice building. Oh, again, we have this is second time I see this. First time I saw it in Bucharest, now in Constanța. Monument of Roman wolf, which is feeding Romulus and Remus, who are by Roman mythology founders of city of Rome. So this is actually a symbol of city of Rome, and I found it for the second time in Romania, 2000 kilometers away. Lupa Capitolina. Roman symbol. Not Romanian, but Roman, from Italy. Well. Now it is half of the August. It's the middle of the summer. It is hot like in hell. So I'm boiled and my camera is overheating. So I will look for some shade, because if camera overheats, then it will stop working, and if camera stop working, it will be huge issue to put it back on work. So better that I find some shade where to hide. I think this is well, whatever it means. Oh, I don't know what is this. Looks pretty weird. This is some kind of government palace. Okay, this is related to judiciary, probably tribunal. Okay. Anyway. Here in Romania, Romanian flags are everywhere, regarding if it is feast or not, which is nice. Their flag actually looks like a Chadian flag, but Romania is older than Chad, so probably Chadians, that African nation, stole design and colors. There was last commerce. A cute Romanian cup. I noticed there are a lot of Italian tourists everywhere in Romania. Everywhere. There was places in the center of Bucharest where I heard very little Romanian language. It was almost all in Italian. Okay. So there are a lot of Italian bars, restaurants and trattorias. So we have an art museum. Okay, I will try to make some video over there. But first I need to charge camera and eat something. So for the moment, take care.